Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Rick here to drop a little bit of money making knowledge on you today. Before we go ahead and get started, if you guys enjoy my videos, if you like what you're learning on this channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell for notifications so you can get notified every single time I put out a video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make $1,500 plus using copy and paste and a really simple tool I found on Google. Um, as always, with there is no money guaranteed with this method, but if you want the best results, if you want to make the most money with this method, you will want to stay to the end of this video, as I'm going to be sharing with you the website you're going to be working with, the tool I'm going to be giving you as well, a very helpful tool that's going to help you automate the process, and I'm going to be showing you another website we're going to be getting your material from. Uh, yeah, so without further ado, also, if you guys want to know my #1 recommendation for reaching financial freedom and starting an online business, please go ahead and hit that hit that link down in the description below. It's the very first one. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this is one of the websites I wanted to talk to you guys about today. It is called moneypantry.com. They are a website that is dedicated to helping you guys find free stuff, earn money, and even save money on the internet, over Amazon, a bunch of other places. As you can see here, they post things like work-at-home jobs, side hustles, unusual ways of making money online, practical ways of saving money at home, online, in the store, everywhere else, small business ideas, online survey sites that pay, cashback sites, real freebies and samples, great deals and discounts. So they're pretty much all dedicated to helping you guys save and earn money online. And you see they have different articles here. They have there's stuff. Now you're not going to be writing articles on this website. We're pretty much going to be using this as kind of a platform to find a bit of work. So what you're going to want to do is come over. It's the same on the same site. It's moneypantry.com/get-paid-to-write. And over here you'll find that there's basically what they have here is they have a bunch of websites that will pay you to write articles. So like, and they do it, they actually do separate them out by a particular interest. So these ones are vacation and travel. You can write about general interest, short stories, politics, news and entertainment, jokes, education, religion, special topics, business and money, fiction. There's a whole bunch of topics you can go for and you can write for. And if you want to post about something, specific, then you can do something specific as well. This isn't really limited to anything. So here, I'll pick publishing, travel and leisure magazine. So if you click on the link in there, it'll take you over to their contact page, which the contact page will often have ways to go ahead and submit. So like here's your submissions. It says if you are a writer with an idea for a story, please send it here. So you would be able to go ahead and click here. Sorry, that's not what I want. So what you're going to want to do is, so if you click on this, it's going to send to like, it's going to open like mail, or basically your mail app, and it will send over to the email I can see here is submissions@travelandleisure.com. So it's going to go ahead and send your submission there. What you're going to do now, you're not going to have to actually write any articles. I'm actually going to show you a couple of free tools that you can use to get this done and pretty much automate the process, as well as add some uniquity to your own articles that you're going to be submitting. So the very first one I'm going to be showing you guys is free articles. Is it free art? Sorry, not free articles. It's articlesfactory.com. Now, articlesfactory.com is basically a place where people post articles that are royalty free. So you're allowed to use these articles wherever you're at, and you can use them for any purpose. So in this case, you know, if we're looking at this website, they have all of these specific subjects you can actually look into for articles. So since we chose Travel and Leisure Magazine, we're going to go ahead and look into travel. And you can do this with any niche you want. You know, they have health, business, family, technology, law, and you can kind of find articles here to go ahead and use and submit here. Now, not all of the. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just pick one here. Shimla Manali honeymoon packages. Sorry if I totally bastardized that. So this kind of like goes over this article is more like an actual day plan. So let's go back here. Let's try this one. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking this article here. So I'm gonna be taking this, and we can use this any way you want, but just in case other people might be using the same article, you do want to make your own article a little unique. So the best way to do that is to use this other free website I'm going to show you guys, so that way you can go ahead and take the article and transform it so yours stands out a little bit more than other people who might be using the same article here. And the website here is called spinbot.com. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and copy the article, and then you want to go on to Spinbot, and you want to paste the article there. Now, kind of make sure you go ahead and look over on all of these underlined words are from a different, either a different language, something that's not normally in the English, but kind of like keep an eye out for any spelling or grammar errors. It might be a good idea to go ahead and also put these articles through Google Docs or Microsoft Word if you have it, so that way you can make sure that grammar and everything is put into place. That might be a little bit difficult with this because this has a whole bunch of words that are not in English or in the English dictionary. So once you've gone ahead and looked through it, you're going to go ahead and click I'm not a robot, and then you're going to click go. Now it's going to go ahead and it's going to take the document that you had, and it is going to kind of write another document where it kind of jumped and it kind of changed everything around. And that's the best thing I like about this. It doesn't actually start. You know what I mean? Like, it looks entirely different. So then you can take this. You would take this, and you would go back to the website. That's an ad that popped up. You come back to the website. You go to your submission. You would email your submission to them. Or you can either upload the file and do it. Now this one here, it just pretty much opens up my mail app and then sends it over to here. But you could go on your Gmail, and you can see it right there in the lower left-hand corner. When I hover over it, you can you can literally mail it to submissions@travelandleisure.com via Gmail, and then that's how you would send the submission. So this is a really easy way you can make easy amount of money really fast doing this. Like, these guys are paying $1 per word, but there are other ones that do $150 to $700, $50 to $200. What else did I see here? 100 to 450. We had 125 to 375, 500 to 1380. So you can really make a lot of money in a short amount of time using these articles here. So yeah, man, and that's pretty much it. But it's a really great way for you to actually go ahead and put a little money in your pocket for groceries. Put that cup of coffee in your hand in the morning. It's not going to make you rich, but it can definitely go ahead and get you up there. Now, if you guys want to know, if you guys want to see my #1 recommendation to reaching financial freedom and getting your own online business, I highly recommend you go ahead and look at the description. Look at the link down in the description. It's the very first one labeled the same, and get to know me a little bit more. and get to meet my mentor who taught me everything I know about starting an online business and being an online entrepreneur. Um, it's a wealth of information, and I think you guys will enjoy it, especially if you guys have been watching my videos here. But that's all I have for this video. You guys be healthy and stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.